Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set auto caption in your CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your CapCut. Now select your picture or video. Now click on text option. Here you can see the option of auto caption. If you want to set auto caption, then press on this generate. That's it. So this is how to set auto caption in your CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.